The way the world grows, moves, and shares food is changing before our eyes. Innovation and sustainability are now the twin forces driving global agribusiness. But technology alone isn't enough. It needs people, skilled, adaptive, forward-thinking. Across farms and food companies, one truth is clear: the world needs new leaders. That's where IFAL and Avila University come together. A partnership built to connect education with the real world. Imagine a classroom without walls, where learning fits your life. Courses you can start anytime, anywhere. Each program combines digital lessons with AI-guided coaching that feels personal. Your mentor may sit continents away, but guidance is just a click apart. You learn by doing, solving challenges pulled straight from industry life. Progress tracks itself. Insights arrive in real time. It's flexible enough for the busy professional and powerful enough for teams. Because real growth happens when learning moves with you. Every step connects to the next, building confidence, capability, and career momentum. The Foundation Certificate starts the journey, mapping agribusiness value chains from soil to shelf. It helps you see the system and your place within it. Then comes the Advanced Certificate in Sustainable Supply Chains, where profit meets planet. You'll design supply networks built to last. Finally, the Leadership Certificate, for those ready to lead transformation. Here, strategy meets purpose and leaders emerge. 3 pathways, 1 continuous story of growth. Explore 3 powerful learning pathways, each designed to meet you where you are in your career. Inside each course, every module is crafted for clarity, combining real-world examples, guided tasks, and instant feedback. Assessments are built to reinforce understanding, and every successful step brings you closer to your certificate. Behind every learner is a mentor who guides, challenges, and inspires, bringing years of agribusiness experience to your screen. Learning that begins with curiosity and ends in leadership. That's the IFAL Avila promise. Agribusiness isn't just an industry, it's an ecosystem powering life. $11 trillion strong, employing millions. Yet gaps in problem-solving and leadership hold it back. These programs close that gap, one learner at a time. From local farms to global corporations, impact is measurable. Companies grow more efficient. Communities grow more resilient. Each graduate becomes part of a global network of change. A movement powered by purpose and knowledge. Your journey in agribusiness can start today. Visit www.avila.edu/avila-agribusiness-programs and explore the agribusiness programs. Learn at your pace, grow your skills. Lead the change.